What is domain? The term itself can seem slightly mysterious at first, but it actually has a very grounded meaning that speaks to many of the core reasons that we use data to solve business problems. Let's learn more. In the context of data products, domain refers to the area of business, business function, department, or business group that owns a business problem. These domains are typically responsible for the context that surrounds the data in question and are often the primary consumers of data sets. Domains are also the ones that derive actionable insights to help drive the business forward. For example, the marketing domain is responsible for gathering website data at the top level of the sales funnel and using it to generate insights about the kinds of consumers that can use a product. At the same time, the sales domain gathers information about the sales pipeline, including potential prospects, points of contact, demos given, follow-ups, and final sales. Meanwhile, the finance domain captures data pertaining to revenue and costs and is broken down by department, individual, and month, to name a few. All of the data captured is used in different ways, and some of it is even shared across domains. However, the way in which one domain uses a dataset often varies considerably from the way that it is used in another. For example, sales and finance are both concerned with income, but the insights they hope to gain are vastly different. Sales might look at the final sales figure compared to the projected sales figure, whereas finance might look at the sales figures compared to other financial metrics. Before data products, the divide between domains presented a problem for business owing to the separation between these domains and the differences in context between them. Specifically, before data products, there was often no reliable, searchable, readily available, or trustworthy way to access datasets in different domains in ways that remain consistent. Instead, businesses turned to central IT departments to build expensive, complex data pipelines. This introduced even more domain ambiguity, as central IT teams had less familiarity with the context of a dataset, let alone the multiple competing contexts derived from different domains. This is where data products and the data as a product methodology come in. By packaging up a dataset alongside the metadata and access patterns needed to use it, much of the complexity of traditional ETL pipelines can be handled in a new way. The productization of data allows less technical teams within each individual domain to perform tasks that originally required specialized knowledge. This vastly improves the autonomy of domains and allows for data decentralization. Since domains know the context of their datasets best, this brings the data closer to the owners, shortening the time to insight and improving agility. The ability to share data products and other data as a product features within teams and across teams means that different domains can make use of data products to help solve shared problems. This adds a new dimension to data and helps leverage the whole organization in a more effective, efficient way.